Buying Robux with crypto. In this video, I will show you how to buy Robux using cryptocurrency in 2025. Step 1. Roblox itself does not directly accept crypto payments. You will need to use a third-party gift card site or crypto payment platform. Step 2. Visit a site like Bitrefill, Coinsbee, or Crypto Refills. And then, step 3. Choose your region, select the gift card amount, and add it to your cart. Step 4. At the checkout page, you can choose your coin and follow the instructions to scan the QR code or copy the wallet address. Step 5. Once you get the gift card code, you can go to roblox.com/redeem, paste the code, and then claim your Robux. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.